nothing connecting.
They're rotted.
They're just rotted right out.
Rotted right out.
They were connected right up top, and there's nothing left. This one has no supports, and it has fallen an inch below the mounting plate. That's just all rot. That one was jacked back up higher than it originally was.
Well,
but it made it level.
It was jacked back up to where it originally was.
Full rot. Steel pedestals going in here, there, and there.
Check this out. I don't think you've seen this. This beam originally used to lay on this rock. See how they scarfed that out and laid it on the rock? Well,
this all settled.
This all settled. So they came in
and put in another little jack post.
Put a jack post at each end to carry this beam.
It's all one band-aid after another. And then this is a seam here. Right on the edge of this.
They missed the,
It's just barely caught and hardly adequate.
Well, it should have been set over 4 inches.
Right? Definitely should have been. They missed the mark on that one. You can see it's off center from the post and not covering their joint.
Right.
And they're just hoping on it cantilevering from here over. Not a great thing. So there's all these temporary jack posts holding everything up. The birds have moved in. And this is completely gone. This is like balsa wood down in here. I could dig a hole right through that, but we don't want to yet. This is a fine Schweitzer managed property. And this one is well underway on the reconstruction.
Truthfully, I don't know if, until the log fell on our house, you wouldn't have been able to see it because it was all hidden behind stone.
Right.
As soon as the log fell on our house, it became obvious what was going on.
This is how it'll all be, is nice steel on steel, and stone will go over that. And there will be steel plates coming out and bolting to this existing good wood with 2 carriage bolts there, and it'll be welded steel out with 2 bolts outside of the stone. And this is going to be a W8 15 I-beam, 20-footer right across. So that other one will get fixed just like this one. And this beam is partially out. Just that next piece in the morning. This one is all right back in where it should be. It's bolted on this side. Looking good. And that'll be it for this portion of the construction.